Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we have something special for you. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Government of Meghalaya, Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills, Nongstoin. Addendum to advertisement number. ND/DSC/761/2017/PT4/43. Dated the 7th of May, 2025. Due to technical issues during online payments, the deadline for submitting online applications has been extended to 5 p.m. on the 9th of June, 2025. Updated vacancy details. Lower Division Assistant. Previously advertised, 14 posts. New added vacancy, 15 posts. Category-wise unreserved, 3 posts. Khasi/Jaintia/Garo, 12 posts. Pay level 5. Total 29 posts. Qualification: SSLC passed with typing speed of 30 WPM. Preference for computer application certificate holders. Driver, previously advertised, 12 posts. New added vacancy, 1 post. Category-wise, Khasi/Jaintia/Garo, 1 post. Pay level 3. Total 13 posts. Qualification: Class 8 passed with a valid driving license and knowledge of vehicle repair. Important notes: application instructions remain the same as per the earlier advertisement. Applicants who already applied successfully don't need to reapply. Applicants are encouraged to use alternative payment methods due to issues with the SBI ePay system. Issued by Deputy Commissioner Chairman, District Selection Committee, West Khasi Hills District, Nongstoin.